Dear students, standard 5. Today we will do the vocabulary questions of the clever craft, the chapter number 3. So please open your book, page 34. So we have already completed the up to activity 4. So today we will do the activity number 5, which is derivation. Derivation means that a word, a basic word is given there, and you have to derive a new word from that related words. So by deriving that word, you have to fill up the gaps which is given here. Use correct form of the verb given in the bracket. That means derivation word will be the correct form of word, and it will be used in the gaps or in the brackets or in the dashes. So that courage is more important than here is than strong is here given, but it will be the strength. Strength is derived from the word strong. Basic word is strong. So like that, I have no dash to swim. That I have no ability to swim. That means able is the basic word. What is the cause of your dash? Here happy is given, so happiness will be the answer. Number 4. The dash taken my father was right. That means decide is given here. Decision will be the derived word. The decision take my father was right. Number 5. I always obey my parents. Dash here is advice. That will be the advice. Advice is verb. Advice is noun. The dash given to the police was fake. That is inform. That means it will derive from inform. It will be the information. The information given to the police was fake. Number 7. His rude behavior dash me. Please here is given please as the basic word. So it will be displeased me. Displeased me. Dash is universal. Here is given die as the basic word, and the derived word will be death is universal. I am dash to my teacher. Oblige here is given oblige. That means it will be obliged to my teacher. I am obliged to my teacher. So let's have a fun with grammar. That negatives. Activity number 6. Change the following sentences into negative. The first one has been done for you. That means here is a useful tips. That means how the negative sentence are formed. So sentence having main verb only. Form V1, do verb plus V1. It is the positive form, and negative form is don't plus V1, and example is go, and negative will be don't go. Like that, I like to eat fish. Negative will be I don't like to eat fish. Like that, he thought of a plan. He does not thought of a plan. He does not think of a plan. Not thought of a plan. Sorry, it will be the think. Think, T-H-I-N-K, think of a plan. So he does not think of a plan. He plays cricket. He does not play cricket. My grandfather tells me stories. My grandfather does not tell me stories. The heron felt very happy. The heron did not feel very happy. They told me everything. They did not tell me everything. He made me happy. He did not make me happy. Smith plays the violin. Smith does not play the violin. He knows how to count the money. He does not know how to count the money. The police arrested the thief. The police did not arrest the thief. So sentence having helping verbs. Earlier you know about the helping verbs. So here useful tips. Name of the verbs and negative verbs. Name of the verbs, be verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, and negative is am, are plus not. Was, were plus not. That means is not, am not, are not, was not, were not. So here is the verbs, be verbs is this. So have versus have, has, had, that negative will be has not, have not, had not. So modal auxiliary verbs shall, should, can, could, etc. Modal auxiliary verb plus not. So in this format, in this form, in these tips, we will do the this questions. I am working hard. Negative will be I am not working hard. Like that, he is calling me every day. He is not calling me every day. The children are playing. The children are not playing. They come to the page number 36. I can speak Hindi. I cannot speak Hindi. He has lost his book. He has not lost his book. They had waited for me. They had not waited for me. We are visiting. They had not wait for me. We are visiting the park. We are not visiting the park. The pen is writing well. My pen is not writing well. So this is for you, and you will do it homework in your home, and have a nice day. On tomorrow we will read the others. From here it will be started. So that thank you today, and you will do your homework patiently and correctly, and send it in our school app. If there is any misunderstanding, or you are not understanding, or you are facing trouble to understand it, then let us know in our school app. Have a nice day. Thank you, my 5th class students.